today's challenge is going to be a little bit tricky because it's actually asking you to replace all your snacks with fruits. Good morning, everyone. It's another day. Woohoo! And today is day 12 of my health challenge. I'm so happy that you guys joined me, and I really hope that you guys tried all of my challenges so far. Remember, the aim was not to only help you overall with your health and well-being, but practice healthier habits. And by practicing healthier habits, it's gonna help you in the long run. So, you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. How you doing, Booby Booby? Love you, baby. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Love you, baby. You're so cute and lovable. Time for my yummy breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday today. Remember to start your day right. Eat healthy. So you guys stay safe and enjoy your time together. Gonna go live soon. Because honestly, you're supposed to snack at least twice a day. Let's say between your main meals, in between breakfast and lunch and dinner. So instead of eating unhealthy snacks, I want you to have a fruit instead, and your favorite fruits. Replacing all of your snacks with fruits is actually going to help you with weight loss, increase your metabolic rate, because fruits have high vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and is packed with water. So it's going to keep your body hydrated as well. Honestly, by the end of the day, you're going to feel so refreshed. You're going to be like, whoa. And it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everyone. And the significance with today is that it represented the time when we had riots between workers and laborers. So there was basically a labor union movement, and the aim was to emphasize how treatment should be between the laborers and their employers. It was a very strong movement in Trinidad and Tobago. So I hope that you guys just share lots of love between everyone today, because today is very significant. Peace and love, everyone. And it is historic for our country. And remember, today with your fruits, your favorite fruits count, so you can't have like pineapple, watermelon. It's really important to stick to your local fruits. And the aim of that is to reduce the amount of chemicals and additives and stuff that you have in your diet. And you're gonna have a mango today and maybe some plums. I normally have chocolate with my snacks, so that's going to be difficult. But I'm doing the challenges with you guys, so let's do this. And it's also going to help with your skin. Time. Just did an exercise session. Shape me Didi, guys. Join me. Playtime cuties. My two adorable doggies. They're so sweet. You want the ball? You want the ball? Boba. Playtime, Didi. Jumba lamba. Playtime, Plummy. Baby. Gloomy, but at least it's not raining. Get some fun playtime with the doggies. I hope you guys got through with all of my challenges. It's the end of the week. Enjoy it. And I hope that you enjoy your holiday today. Boba. Bam! What do you want to do? Home city. Woohoo! Cuties. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.